Hello everybody. Let's get this big bad daddy out of the clamps here. Yeah, all stuck up. It's so fat that it seems kind of short, but I believe it'll be a good chopper. Okay, we're gonna run over here to the 2x72. Let me give it a rough belt on there and we'll shape this handle some. Hang on a second, I'm gonna tape this blade up. Notice I taped that blade up. It's starting to get scary. Hello everybody, I'm gonna get back to work on this camp knife, try to get it finished up. But I wanted to show you a couple things first. I've been playing with my wood lathe and I made me a wooden mallet. It's just pine, it's light as a feather, it's just pine. I don't know, I was just playing. But I made that, and I made me a couple chisel handles, and see I put those little eyelets on there, I can hang them on the nail. That's pretty cool, I think. So I got to make the rest of those for the rest of my files. Did I say chisels? Or files? But my hand is so sore from holding that tool. Oh my gosh. But I got a funny story to tell you before I go on. I went by my local saw shop and I got a couple more bars, and you know, you got the saw shop, or you know, the hardware store or whatever, and then you got the back of the hardware store where they do all the work on the weed eaters and the saws and stuff like that, lawn mowers, and you know. So the owner's up front running the store, and then the guy in the back is working on the saws and stuff, you know, and the worker guy. And so just, you know, since the owner's been so nice to me, giving me chainsaw bars and stuff, you know, that's where I buy all my drill bits and all my, you know, just most of my tools and everything. I made him a knife. I made him an old hickory knife with a sheath and all this, and I give it to him, and you know, he loved it and all that. And so I said, I'm gonna go in the back and see if Larry's got any chainsaw bars. He said, okay, yeah, sure, go on. So I went back in the back and I said, hey Larry, how you doing? And he's looking at me, you know, he's one of them guys, you know, that's liable to say or do anything. So I said, what's going on, Larry? I was gonna see if you had any chainsaw bars. And he said, excuse my language, but he said, I ain't got nothing for you, you son of a bitch. I said, what? He said, I ain't got nothing for you. I said, why not? And he said, what you doing bringing him a knife? I'm the one who saves the bars for you. Why ain't you brought me a knife? I said, well, what kind of knife you want? I said, I'll make you a knife. I said, do you want a skinning knife? You want a killing knife? You want a camping knife? What do you want? And he said, surprise me. And I said, okay. I said, I'll make you a knife just for you, okay? I said, now do you have any bars? And he said, well, I got these two right here. That's just, I went to school with a guy, and I know that he's liable to say anything. But I told him I'd make him a knife, and that made him happy. So you got to give a little to get a little. So let's get to work on this knife. I got some new belts in. We're going to do the handle today, and I think that's about all I got left to do. We got to shape the handle and finish it. So let's do that. We'll see how it goes. No big surprise here, it wouldn't fit in my knife clamp. I wasn't a bit surprised, I didn't figure it would. Now we're just going to do some hand sanding. Okay, there it is. Pretty much done. I haven't decided whether I'm going to stain this handle or just put some True Oil on it or linseed oil. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to decide that. Y'all can tell me what you think in the comments below. I think I'm going to stain it. But there's the knife pretty much finished. You'll see it again whenever I have the drawing. That is a dandy knife. Very blade heavy though. Gonna be a good chopper. That's gonna be a good chopper. It's gonna be really good for camp activities and stuff, you know, chopping up wood and stuff. I would baton that through anything. I wouldn't care. I'd beat that knife down. I'd beat that knife down through a stump. I wouldn't care. I don't think you hurt that knife. Alrighty then. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned. Today is Friday, so next Friday I'm going to have the drawing. You guys stay tuned for that. We'll have the drawing, and if the winners don't contact me like within a week, then we'll draw again or whatever. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, stain the handle, and it'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you later.